In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete your TikTok account in 2020. So once you're on TikTok, you want to go to your profile and you do that by tapping on the me icon on the bottom right. Then what you want to do is tap on the three dots at the top right, and that's going to take you to your settings. You want to tap on the first option that says manage my account, and then you want to tap on at the bottom it says delete account. You want to tap on delete account. The next step is an SMS verification. What you need to do is type in the SMS verification code there and tap on continue, and then you'll be taken to the final page where it says that after 30 days your account will be deleted permanently. So if you want to get your account back before 30 days is up, all you need to do is log into your TikTok profile with your username and password, and then you'll have your account back. But if you do it after 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. So that is how you delete your TikTok account in 2020. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.